Is it 5 and 30 or 5:30? Many learners say the time incorrectly. In English, we don't say 5 and 30. We say time in a simple way. It's 5 o'clock. It's 5:10. It's 5:30. Very easy, right? You can also use this common expression, 5:30. It's 5:30. So remember, say the hour first, then the minutes. Don't translate directly from your language. Use these simple patterns. It's 6 o'clock. It's 7:15. It's 8:30. Speak slowly and clearly. Follow LELTA for practical English. 1 minute a day, better English every day.
1 Minute English by LELTA. Subscribe for more lessons.